Hi everyone, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Sam and I'm an art and mindset tutor, and I help people to discover the artists within them by giving them inspiration, guidance and support. I wanted to just hop on and tell you that my doors are now open to my membership, my Discovering the Artist Within You membership. They're only going to be open from now until the 21st of December. The content's going to be dropping into the group on the 14th, but you've only got until the 21st to take advantage of the founders rate, the early bird rate that is not going to come back after this. It's my introduction to the group. It's a brand new membership, and so I want you to take advantage of those early bird prices. Who is this group aimed at? Well, I think it's aimed at people that are similar to me about 5 years ago. You know, are you struggling with confidence? Do you struggle with anxiety or stress? Do you need something in your life that gives you inspiration? Do you need a creative outlet? Do you need something that makes you slow down and get that kind of mindfulness? Do you need support from a group of people that are like-minded, that are friendly and supportive, that you can get inspiration from? All of these things are going to be available in the group. I'm going to be talking about mindset. I'm going to be talking about how to look after your body, your mind, but I'm also going to be giving you lots of tips and techniques to improve your art career. Where could your art take you? Could it take you to a brilliant, fulfilling new hobby? Or could it take you to a fantastic new career, or even to earn a little bit of extra money? It's really important that we invest in ourselves, because we tend to be so low down on the list when you've got children, when you've got family, and even if you haven't, we tend to put others before us. And it's so important to invest in yourself, because how can you serve others if your cup is half empty? And this membership is all about filling your cup, feeding your soul, having that creative outlet. So if you are interested, it's something that sounds interesting to you, then you can obviously ask me lots of questions for more information, or you could click on the link. There's lots of information there. So yes, just wanted to reiterate, it's going to be closing on the 21st, so there's not much time to join, and ask me questions if you would like to know anything else. I really look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.